Hello everyone, today I will show you the new web browser that's available in Trivial OS. So as you can see, there is now a new icon. If you click on it, we get by default the Google web page. We have some icons there, and we have search option here and zoom factor here. So if we search something, let's say nature images, we can actually get that web page. We can maximize this window and we can search something on this image, let's say nature, and you can see it's like a default search. We can go back, we can go forward, we can go to the home page, which is actually Google. If we go back, we can zoom it in. Let's set it to the default, and we have option to save this as a PDF, so we can do that using this icon. And let's save it to my computer, see users and downloads. Let's name it testing2, test2, and save. And now if we go to our downloads folder and find test2, we can actually get this web page as a PDF. So that is in short how this web browser actually works and what's the available options in it. So thank you guys very much for watching and see you next time.